5 important facts about cow. Cow have 32 teeth. They can't bite because they don't have top teeth. Compared to human beings, the hearing capacity of cow is better in deep and high frequency range. Cow have a sight range of 300 degree, and when they put their head down to graze, this sight increase to 360 degree. The cow has good sense of smell. They can sniff out odors up to 8 kilometers. A dairy cow needs about 25 kg to 50 kg food and 175 liters of water per day. Cow is the most common domestic animal found across the world. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.